In today's video, we're working on this 2021 VW Golf 8 and installing the genuine Highline reversing camera. Good morning guys, Tim from Advancing Car Technologies, hope you're all keeping well. So today we have this VW Golf 8 2021 VW Golf 8 style that's been dropped down by the local main dealer because it needs to have a factory reversing camera. So the Golf 8s are a little bit different in the technology that they use, where you can't just use VCDS or VAGCOM or anything like that anymore. You have to be VW Audi authorized, so VAG authorized to be able to do it, because you need to have ODIS and online access, because the new systems are using what is called SFD protection. It's some German name, which basically means that key components within the vehicle, so like the head unit, the 5F, the main brain of the vehicle, the 19 CAN gateway, that sort of stuff, people in the know will know. You can't just access them anymore through the ABD. You have to have an access token to be able to then get into that vehicle, to unlock it, and then be able to do what you need to do with the coding. So we're going to strip it out, we're going to fit the camera, we're going to do the SFD access token and get the new camera all in, working, coded up and working as it was if they're from factory. So stay tuned. Right then guys, Volkswagen Golf 8 fully supplied and fitted with the genuine Emblem reversing camera. Now, as I've mentioned before, this one's a bit more tricky because it's not just coding to be able to set this up. You have to be a VW Audi authorized workshop that can do SFD unlock of the modules. So this is where some of the modules in the vehicle, like the 5F, the the CAN gateway, so 19, before you even start doing any coding, you have to get an access token to unlock it, so then you can then start doing all your coding through VCDS and all this sort of stuff, or ODIS or whatever. So first and foremost, here's the new badge that's been fitted in, and Richard's just going to pop it into reverse quickly. And there you go. There's the emblem. There's the camera, and he's going to just push the button just to make it retract in a second. So yeah, genuine emblem with the camera installed into it, so when you go into reverse it then pops out. Now, as part of our research on this, it appears that there's two different cameras, a left-hand drive camera and a right-hand drive camera. You obviously need to have the right-hand drive version, otherwise it won't look right on the screen. So what we're going to do is we're just going to jump in the car. Richard's going to start it up, and as you can see, it's a pretty modern day sort of infotainment system on the 5F. It's all touch control, gestures and all this sort of stuff. So on this particular vehicle we have the automatic gearbox down here, so Richard's just going to pop it into reverse, and there's the image. When you move the steering wheel you get the lines because it's the Highline version. You still get your OPS display, and you can change all the different how the camera works, so like a fisheye mode where you won't get any guides, and you get this option here with your guides. It's quite a cool little image that I quite like that, because it gives you a bit more of an overview of the vehicle and what's behind you, so when you're sort of backing out of a parking space, for example, it's quite useful. And you still have your parking sensors over there. You can push the settings, there's not much that goes on in there. You can change all the brightness and stuff like that, and if you want the parking sensors full screen, you've still got that there. So Volkswagen Golf 8, very quickly, if we just come out of reverse, the screen goes off. You also have the park menu button here, which is like the PDC button. You can just pop that and the camera image and the sensors pops up as well if you're like driving into a space or something like that, and you can turn it off like that. So Volkswagen Golf 8, brand spanking new 2021 model. We have retrofitted the genuine Volkswagen Golf 8 Highline reversing camera, all genuine parts used as always, fully activated, and SFD unlocked, so that we can then do all the necessary codings and stuff like that with the vehicle. If you've got a car like this, make sure you get in touch. You have to come down to us here in Poole because of the online stuff that we need to do. And as always, thanks for watching.